Hey jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd do this sort of mum-to-be inspired nail art for any of you ladies out there that have just found out that you're expecting, and if you are, congratulations. And let me know if this is a nail set that you would put on your own nails. So I'm going to be using glitters that I've purchased from VS Nail Art Supply. So they do actually have like a baby shower collection where they've got lots of different glitters with that theme in mind. But I'm just going to be using the one glitter today, which is this one, and this is called Mom to Be, which I just think is really beautiful. So it's mainly a matte glitter, which you don't see a lot of, and it's got a few little different bits of sparkly glitters in it. So what I'm going to do is apply this Shemodern glue gel first, because I want a nice sticky layer for these powders to stick to. So these are a sheer powder, so although they look really pigmented in the bottle, they do actually have a more sheer finish. So I'm going to apply this to all of the nails, and obviously I'm putting this over a clear tip as well. So you just want to sort of work it all in and then get rid of any excess. So there you go. But I know it's quite clouded, but when you add the top coat, it kind of makes it almost go like pretty much transparent again. But obviously you've just got that hint of yellow, which hopefully you can see there. And then I am going to be applying some top coat. Now I'm not going to be curing this because I'm going to just apply the glitter directly onto that, although it's loose. So this is a beautiful glitter. It's got a mix of yellows and blues, and it's got heart shapes in there as well. So I'm trying not to make it like overly bulky, so I'm just putting like a rough first layer down, and then obviously I can come in again and fill in the gaps. So I'm kind of only going to be doing like just over half of the nail in the glitter. So again, apply another layer of the top coat, and again don't cure, and just sort of fill it in. I'm using a brush mainly, and then I'm coming in with like a rhinestone picker or like a gemmy type thing, just to kind of move the glitter around and put it in place as to where I want it. So it can be a little bit fiddly, but it's worth it in the end. So there you go. That's what I'm on about, the rhinestone picker. So it just makes it that little bit more sort of packed in. You can just sort of perfect it a little bit and go and cure that in your lamp. Now what you want to do is apply like, you know, a thick builder gel over the top of that, so you've got a nice thick layer that you can file down so your nail is all nice and smooth. So you can use an e-file as well, which I will do on this off camera. So once you're happy with it, you want to come in and remove all that dust, and then apply that final layer of top coat to kind of seal it all in. Now on the middle finger, I'm going to be applying this Kiki London polish called Diamonds from their glitter collection, and it's obviously got these gorgeous hollow pieces in it. So I'm actually just going to apply one thin layer. Obviously I still wanted it to be able to see the yellow coming through, but just have that hint of hollow. So I'm going to be using the new Moyou London plate, and obviously it's all very, you know, mum to be themed. So I'm going to be using this Moyou stamping polishes. So you've got banana ice and mint condition. So I kind of obviously wanted to use colours similar to the glitter that I have used and incorporate that in. So yeah, I'm taking these sort of dots here, and obviously this nail is a little bit longer than the image. So I did go ahead and try and salvage what was left, but like that top bit looked a little bit messy. So I did actually, you know, stamp over it again and just, you know, filled it all in properly. But I just thought that these two colours looked beautifully together, especially with that like little bit of hollow glitter peeping through it as well. So I'm going to be taking this image here of the mom holding her baby, and I'm going to get rid of the bits that I don't want, and these are the colours that I'm using to fill it all in. So if you are expecting please let me know in the comments box below, and let me know how far gone you are, whether it's your first or fifth. It'd just be nice to know how many of my followers out there are actually expecting. As a mum myself, I do know how magical and how, you know, amazing those moments are when you do realise that you're going to have a baby. It is just awesome, you know, and especially if it's taken you a long time to receive this news as well. So getting back into the nail design now, so I'm going to be applying that Shemodern glue gel again, just so I can do some dry stamping. So obviously this, the stamping on the stamping polish has completely dried before I've done this, sorry, and then it just will transfer directly onto the nail. It's my, you know, much preferred method of stamping if I'm going to do some advanced stamping like I have done so today. And then, you know, seal all that in with your favourite top coat. And if you're using gel, obviously that needs to be cured in the lamp. So for the pinky nail now, I'm basically going to be using this section. So I'm going to be doing yellow squares, a yellow square, then like a minty greeny square, and putting that vertically down the nail like so. You can see that there, and then I'm going to be using the lettered section on the plate, and obviously I'm going to spell out baby, and again alternate the colours like so. Then all that's left to do is obviously put a layer of top coat on and cure in the lamp, and then the nail is done. So my camera really isn't doing this set justice. It is really pretty in real life, but let me know your thoughts on it, and let me know your thoughts on the glitter as well, and make sure you stay tuned for more of these mum to be themed nail designs as well. So till next time, jelly babes, take care, bye.